So I got these electric shears for my wife, who, as we get older, our hand strength starts declining, and I really thought this would help her out. I looked at the Milwaukee one, and it was about 3 times more, but I am a huge Milwaukee fan, so I went ahead and looked more into them. And the thing that I really noticed about them was that they're big and clunky. So then I settled on this one. I looked at it. I wanted the M12 battery because I have tons of Milwaukee batteries. I'm the Milwaukee guy. You go to my page, you'll see all the Milwaukee tools I review. So I came across this thing and I said, this might be the answer. It's super lightweight, it works with the M12, and it cuts. So I'm gonna walk you through it and I will show you some usage. Not much to show you here, but you can see, like, it cuts. This thing works. Now these are all really small, but I'll go up against some bigger stuff later in the video. So here it is in the box, and we're just going to do a quick unboxing real quick. So instructions, and I've actually used this, so it's been unboxed before. The trimmers, real simple to operate. I'll show you more in just a second, but you have an on-off button and the trigger. This comes off. Once it's on, these open, and then you've got basically a battery counter here. And then it comes with this little bag that has a oil bottle. So you put your lubrication in there. I'm just going to use WD-40 when it comes time. A sharpening stone, an Allen wrench, in this little socket. Then of course it runs off of the Milwaukee M18 M12 battery. That's what it was designed for. But I've tested it on one of these knockoff brands and it works just fine. So you have options there. Now when you buy this thing, or when you buy a device like this, you're buying it because you want the Milwaukee battery instead of having 1,000 other batteries that, I mean, it just gets annoying. Having one system like the Milwaukee, which is the industry standard, just simplifies your life so much. So here, hopefully you can see it, is the battery percentage and the number of cuts. So you can see there, as I operate it, the counter goes up, which is kind of cool. When you first turn it on, you gotta do that little number and it'll start working. And just turn it off. There you go.